In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the percentage change to your charts in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to view your chart in percentages, quickly measure percentage moves, and display real-time percentage change directly on the chart. First, switch the entire chart to a percentage scale. Move your mouse to the vertical price axis on the right side of the chart. Right-click that axis. In the menu that opens, click Percentage. The scale immediately updates, so values are shown as percentages instead of absolute prices. This only changes how the chart is displayed, not your data or orders, so it's safe to switch. You can now read moves up or down as percent change at a glance. Next, use the built-in measurement tool for quick percentage comparisons. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag on the chart from your starting point to your ending point. As you drag, a small readout appears showing the percentage change between those 2 points. Release the mouse to place the measurement. This is useful when you want to check a specific move without changing the whole chart scale. Now, add a visual indicator to display percentage change in real time directly on the chart. Go to the top of TradingView and click Indicators. In the search bar, type percentage change. From the results, click an item named Percentage Change to add it to your chart. The indicator appears immediately and begins updating with live market data. Depending on the script, it can show daily or custom percentage change values right on the chart so you can track performance without measuring each move manually. At this point, you've added percentage change to your TradingView charts in 3 ways. You turned the entire price axis into a percentage scale for continuous percentage viewing. You use the Shift measurement tool to check exact percentage moves between any 2 points. And you added a percentage change indicator to display daily or custom, real-time percentage data on the chart. Your setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.